Hey naboriders, you're watching the NABOMAW twins, which is accompanied by Nabiha and Nafilah. In this video, we'll be sharing the recipe of making veg momos. First, let's start by making the filling. For it, you'll be needing 2 cups soybean, 1 cup onion, 1 cup carrot, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon black pepper, and mix them all together. And also do take in notice that we are using all the chopped vegetables. Now let's prepare the dough. For preparing the dough, you need 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida, pinch of salt, 2 tablespoon vegetable oil. Knead it all together and add water as per your requirements. When your dough is ready, cover it with a cloth and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now divide the dough into small parts. Sprinkle some flour and roll the dough. Add in the filling. Pinch the edges to make it look like a momo. Make several of these. Now let's prepare the steamer. For making the steamer, take a pan and add in some water in it. Put on your drainer and transfer the momos in there. Cover it with a lid and let it sit for about 10 minutes. You're done with the momos when they look translucent and edible.